2, 3, 4. Loog Nation! Hey, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. Yep, that little twang was a little off there. That's a better way to do it. So anyway, this is the Eagles, Take It Easy, and you just heard the opening riff to it all. There is a great 4-chord progression happening here, and I love this song. It's an awesome classic rock song by an amazing band. So we have 4 chords that we're going to play with this song. We have a G, we have a D, we have an E minor, and we have a C, and that makes up most of the song. That opening riff, let's dive into that right now. So as a player, most of the time we start on the beat. Yeah, beat. I did say your name, but I meant the beat, like on the beat. Yeah. This is Beat, by the way. Beat is here to help me stay on track and to help you with chord charts and also rhythms as we learn songs. So, most songs, like I said, start on the beat. This one starts on the and of 4. And if you've been with me before, you know that we can break those quarter notes into 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hence the name 8th notes, 8 notes. And that's 1 quarter note played 2 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Ah, there's the and. 4 and. So this song starts on the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and. So what am I doing? I'm strumming up to make sure I'm playing on the and. I'm also playing a G chord to start. G. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 2, 3, 4. I believe with the Loog, what we're doing is a different voicing, a different sound within the key of G. So we're playing a G chord, right? The other chord that we're playing is we're going to add our first finger to the 2nd string 1st fret. Gives a nice change to the chord. And then the 3rd chord that we're playing is kind of a strange D chord. We're adding our 2nd finger to the 3rd string 2nd fret. And that gives a cool sound, very much like the recording where we're keeping our 1st finger there. We're just adding fingers, right? So our 1st chord is a G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2, 3, 4. Add the 1st finger, good. 3, 4. Add the 2nd finger, great. Back to G, 2, 3 and 4 and stay on G, 3 and 4 C. Add the C, and 4 and. There we go. And back to G, 2, 3, 4. So that was a small little cadence that we did twice. Okay, so that's the opening of the song. Let's get into the heart of it all, the verse and the chorus, okay? So we have a lot of different variations going on of the 4 chords we're talking about. So I'm gonna put like all of the chords up in a chart here. Beat's gonna help me with that. Thank you. And we're just gonna do quarter note strums. So we're gonna go right into the verse and we're just gonna strum quarter notes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that G, D combination, then a C. And then we go back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. And G. Yeah, so that's the cadence, right? That's the progression of the verse. I'd say practice this section, right? Work on the opening, then practice this verse section over and over again. Come back to this, work with it, and then we're going to move into the chorus. Here's the chorus. Now, I know I say this is a song for beginners, an easy song for beginners. In reality, it is. We're not playing a lot of challenging chords, but we have to remember or learn a long progression. One of the best things, I'm doing it too, I've got my music right here so I can look down and see it, so I can help that. You can pull these chords and lyrics up anywhere online, and you can watch and play along. The thing that they don't give you online, that I'm giving you here at Loog Nation, is the count. How many times do we play each chord, and how many beats do we hold that chord? If I were to count through this chorus, I'm going to start with the E minor, and I'm going to go, take it, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For 2, take it, E, 2, 3, 4, C, G, 2, 3, 4. Right? That's the correct count. We have 2 bars, or 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3. Don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Notice again, I'm playing E minor twice, but I did A minor and C for 1 bar, right? When I say a bar, I mean 4 beats. So now we're in the second part of the chorus. Loosen up, you still can. 2, 3, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, all right. So there we go. We've got little kind of micro cadences as we're going through this whole chorus. I'm going to do the whole thing all the way through. We've got all the chart stuff up over here. Thank you, beat. And let's follow along. We're just doing quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the chorus. Great job. And thanks for the follow along. Notice I wanted to put all of it up so you could see it as its full progression. All right, so we have our opening, our verse, and our chorus. And the one thing we haven't figured out yet, because we've just been practicing in quarter notes, is what's the strum? What's the feel of this song? And I like to call this like a country rock song. So we have 4 beats, but we're feeling 2 beats, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I would put an accent or a little bit more oomph behind my 2 and my 4. And in rock, they call that a backbeat. Let's just practice that with the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's pull up the chords for the verse and let's add our backbeat or our kind of country rock feel strum to the song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, there you go. All right, it's time for a play along. I'm going to do the intro, the verse, and the chorus. I'm going to do a little singing along as well. And we've got all the stuff written right up here for you so you can play along with me. I'm going to try and go a little more up-tempo, so it might be fast, but stick with me and we're going to make it through it. 1, ready, 2, yeah. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. to understand. Just find a place to make your stand and take it easy. Hey, alright, how did that go? Yeah, that's fun. I've never really said that. Practice does make everything better. If you're having a good time here at Loog Nation, please do us a favor, become a part of the community, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might love the Eagles and want to learn how to play really cool rock songs on the Loog. And you can also hit that notification bell. We're here every Thursday with a new lesson, and we love being able to provide lessons for you. Yeah, great. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't even try.